and mouth and be worn at all times, except when actively eating or drinking while stationary.
We're at Animal Kingdom. Billy, say hi. Now we're going on to Cali River Rapids. So this is gonna be fun. I've been on this ride in so long, so. Yeah. Cali River Rapids, what do you think, Lily?
It was great.
I didn't get as wet as I wanted, but.
Hey.
Oh, Lily, you gotta show off your cool ears.
Haunted Mansion.
We just got them. They're so fun. We're about to go on this ride right here. You excited for Everest?
No. No.
Ulysses, what about you? Excited to go on this ride?
Yes, sir. Hey, that's me.
That is you.
Technology's new to him.
What's this? What do you think of the ride?
It was scary. It was nice though. It was intense.
No. That's what I think.
I thought it was
I
amazing.
lost my throat.
How about you, Lily? You like that?
No,
Also, I have a
loved
question.
it. I have a question.
You're coming in a second.
Hey everyone! Say hello to some of your favorite fun-loving pals as they return from their dinosaur adventure down the Discovery River.
Cupid! I love them. So we got some popcorn back. It's Lily. You gotta show yours. Lily.
Simba.
Simba.
Gotta show your bucket. See, you got a cauldron one too.
Then look how it opens.
Perfect. There's Donald.
As Donald
Donald!
and his friends take to the water to celebrate their love of all things dinosaur. They invite you to join in the fun, right where you are. Wave hello as they float by.
Across the bridge I go. Donald! And fun. We're actually going to dinosaur though, so I'm going to go this way. I like Panorama. Kind of sad they're going to close it soon. Side the head. He's scared. Wow. Billy, ready to go on dinosaur? You ready for dinosaur?
Yep.
Okay, get on that. What's up? Got off dinosaur, that was fun. What do you think, Lily?
It was pretty good.
It was scary.
Kind of. I put my middle fingers up to the dinosaur.
It was scary to me. Mom was scared too. What do you think of dinosaur? Was it fun?
Yes, it was.
Was it scary?
It was. Jerk my side.
I got this copyright music playing right now, but we have dinosaur and stuff. It's very hot outside. This ride's gonna be closed. I'm probably gonna close down the rest of this part too. Yes. Love it. I like how Animal Kingdom has all like these trails of just scenery and nature. It's pretty fun. Yes, but here's the big tree. Alright. To the pole. Okay, there's the tree. Look at that thing. I love this show. It's pretty cool. It has a cool animatronic in it. I don't know if I can film in there, probably not, but yeah. I like this with gorilla and stuff. There's detail that goes on this tree. Elephant here. Lost to all of this. It's just crazy. how this detail they put into this tree. Like, look at that. I know what that is. Look at that. Oh, look at some beetles here. It's so beautiful. Now we're leaving Animal Kingdom a little early. We can go to Walmart, get some food for ourselves at the Airbnb, and then parks again tomorrow. So that's gonna be fun.